In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Charles Schwab accounts. When people say linking accounts at Schwab, they usually mean one of two things: connecting an outside bank so you can move money in and out, or making sure multiple Schwab accounts under the same owner show up together under one login. I'll walk you through both so it's clear and simple. First, linking an external bank account. This is the most common setup because it lets you transfer cash between your Schwab account and your bank. On the Schwab website, sign in, then head to the Move Money section. From there, choose Transfers and Payments and look for the option labeled Link or Delete External Bank Accounts. Select the specific Schwab account you want to pair with your bank. You'll be asked for your bank's routing number and your bank account number. These are the numbers printed on your checks or available in your bank's online profile. Take a moment to enter them carefully, since a single digit off can cause delays. Review and accept the terms, then submit. Once that's done, your bank is connected and you'll be able to move money between your Schwab account and your bank whenever you need. Keep an eye out for a quick verification step. Sometimes Schwab will send two small test deposits to your bank account. This is normal and helps confirm you own the account. It typically takes 1 to 3 business days. When you see those amounts in your bank activity, return to Schwab and enter the exact figures to confirm. After that, transfers are fully enabled. Those small deposits are automatically reversed or offset as part of the verification process, so you won't be charged. Now let's talk about linking multiple Schwab accounts under the same owner. If you have, for example, a brokerage account, a checking account, and an IRA, the good news is they are usually grouped automatically under a single Schwab login. That means when you sign in, your dashboard will display all of your eligible Schwab accounts together, and you can switch between them without any extra setup. Think of it as a consolidated view rather than a merger. Each account keeps its own number, purpose, and features, but they're conveniently organized in one place for you to monitor balances and activity. To recap, linking an external bank account lets you move money to and from Schwab and may require a quick verification with small deposits. Multiple Schwab accounts owned by the same person typically appear under one login automatically, so you'll see them all on your dashboard for easy access.